Where are we?
Oh, we're Daydream Island and I'm paddling
A wombat.
a wallaby.
Here we are, and we have arrived at Daydream Island, and this is the room. The bathroom. The bedroom. Here's Chloe and Chicken Head looking out onto our view onto the snorkel pool. Here, Skip. Here, Skippy. Here we are. We're in. What are we in?
An underground thing.
An underground thing. Here we are on Daydream Island and we are having dinner. There's Chicken Head and there's Chloe. Chloe. And there's a Curlew. Yay! You too? Yeah. Where are we going? Yeah. We're about to go catamaran sailing.
Is you right for you guys today?
Can you hold that?
Oh, I was about to say, she got him to take a photo of us.
We'll give you a big wave when it's time to come in. Alright,
Thank you.
Thank you. Captain Nemo in your heart out.
Oh my god, I can see myself.
Hi, Captain.
Hello.
Junior Captain.
Yeah.
And I'm Admiral.
Oh.
We're just about to go on an arduous 1 kilometre rainforest walk here on Daydream Island. If we get lost, this is our last will and testament.
Oh, stop it!
Where are we?
Oh, we're Daydream Island and I'm paddling
A wombat.
a wallaby.
We're currently dining at the Infinity restaurant on Daydream Island. And this is our scrumdiddlyumptious food.
Very chilly scratch. Here's my scrumdiddlyumptious Scotch. Cheers.
Chloe. Ow. We have finished on Daydream Island and we are now about to head to the port of Airlie for our adventure to Townsville.
Okay.
Bye Daydream.
Stop! Watermelon?
Yeah.
Sweet mixed carrots.
Thanks. Here we are at the Big Mango in Bowen. We're currently at the Big Mango Information Centre in Bowen, or the Information Centre in Bowen, which also has the Big Mango. And here's Chloe, and she has...
A mango sorbet.
Is it yum? Is it scrumdiddlyumptious?
Yeah.
Mmm, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Stop!
In Bowen, heading to Townsville. We've just left Airlie Beach this morning, and Kurt's our driver for today. And Chloe's munching down a famous mango sorbet.
Where are we?
At a cane field, random cane field, someone's house.
Children of the corn!